Because the road is half broken off. It needs some work.
You're welcome, Novi.
Right back with the toast. Did you want any ketchup or hot sauce?
Sure.
Okay.
Never mind. Holy. That looks heavenly.
Yes. What is that?
Look at these potatoes.
This is
Oh my
scrambled. Yeah, I
gosh.
like it scrambled.
Oh my gosh. What did you get? French
I
toast?
got French toast and 2 eggs and bacon. Oh my god, see, the road does not exist.
Ah!
Why do they have this little
Hour.
That's how Johnny going to 50 miles an hour. Oh, great road work ahead.
Because the road is half broken off. It needs some work.
So update, the road that we're literally less than an hour away from is snowed in. So after this little hike we're going on now, we're gonna go back into the car and drive like 2 hours.
3.
3 hours to actually get to our space. So yeah. That's
Which is only about 45 minutes away, but we have to go all the way back to the south end. What in the world? Christian, go down there.
I'll push that tree down. These trees are sensitive. You see that back there, Sarah? These trees are very sensitive in the climate. That's cool.
So this is the General Grant tree, and it's 1,500 years younger than the oldest Sequoia, and it is the third largest in volume in the world. Pretty nifty. So here's a little update on our Sequoia trip. We are just trying to do all the trails that is open right now. So right now we're just at this lake. There's really not much else here that is open because it just snowed last Thursday, so not even a week ago. There's a lot more trails closed at this park than Yosemite, but okay, that was a little update. Peace.
Holy. Right now.
Oh my god. Holy crap. I saw the road down there.
I think
That's the better road we could have taken. We made it.
Heard a lot about it.
We've heard a lot about it, read a lot of reviews, but we're having faith.